How to use Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the basics of using Snapchat. Now using Snapchat is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First is, if you open up Snapchat and log into your account, you'll get an interface like this. Now you can take snaps along with filters here. Now you can see there are various options of filters here. Now if you simply tap on it, you'll be able to take a quick snap, or if you tap and hold, you'll be able to take a video, as you can see on the screen. However, once you snap, you can see various editing options at the right hand side of the screen. See the text option here. You can add text, you can add random color here, pencil with the pencil option, or you can add music to it, or you can search for other filters as well from the search bar here, and you can attach another picture or URL here, and you can crop picture as well. So these are the various features, editing features that you get with Snapchat. Now what you can do is you can save your snap. You can see the save option there. You can add to your story directly here from here, or you can send it to other Snapchatters by tapping on next option, and then you can select friends from here and send your snap. So you can chat with your friends through here. The other way is, if you want to head into your profile, what you can do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen here, and you'll be headed into profile. You can see your all friend list here. You can add new friends by tapping on add friends. It will suggest your friends from your contact list or from quick add here, or mutual friends. If you want to head into settings, what you can do is tap on the top right corner of your screen that you can see gear icon, tap on it, and here you can change your name, username, your birth date, mobile number, email, every account information, and you'll find every help regarding Snapchat here. So these are the basics of Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.